Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So guys, today we'll see, like I have done video for how we can do social login by using Laravel Socialite function. Okay, so there for Facebook, there was one question, guys. Like while creating app in Facebook, there is none other option. So for that, what we can do, I'll tell that guys. Okay, so for that, first you need to visit this, that is developer.facebook.com. Okay, here, okay, you need to visit on this link. Then what you need to do, you just log in with that, guys. Now Maya, it is already logged in, so it will show like this. Suppose if it is not logged in, you will get one option here for login, so you can log in with that. Okay, after login, you will get here create app. So in create app, see guys, here there are options. Okay, suppose if two IDs are open with Facebook, then you need to select which one. So I'll go with this. Then next, then here see what you want to do your app to do. Okay, so here there is none option, so you can select here, guys, other options. Okay, here other is there, and here one more thing is there, guys, that also I'll tell. So you can here select an app, which app you want to do. So there is a customer, business, instant game, gaming, workplace, academic search. So you can select, guys, workplace or academic search. Okay, suppose if you select workplace, you will get the same thing. You need to put your app name, and this is your email ID. If you want to put any business info, you can put here, and next create. Okay, same for this also, guys. Again, I have to go here, others. Okay, here academic search. See, here you will get only app name and academic institution email. Okay, here email you will get. So better if you select here as workplace, that will be good. So guys, here you select workplace, put your app name, La Laravel Socialite app. Okay, this one there. For right now, I'm putting this. Is it okay? Okay, fine. Just for testing purpose, nothing else. Okay. So here is business info we got. Then create an app. So you need to put your password for login. Right now I don't have this password, guys. Okay, so after login you will get same options where I have done already video, guys. Like there we will get the secret key which we need to use in our code. Okay, so you can check that, or I will give that link in I button, so you can check there, guys, or I will give that link in uh, what we can say at the end, where we will see all the cards. Right at the end we will get seen video, there I will show, guys. Okay, so same process we need to follow. So this is the question, guys, ki what we need to select. So I told you guys what you need to select. You can select workplace, either other academic research. Okay, so workplace is better, so you select this only. Okay, fine, guys, and you can explore this also, consumer, business, instant. You will get different things to learn as well for this. So this is the I hope I cleared this. If you have any question regarding this, again, then guys, please comment. And if you're liking my videos, guys, then like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys. Keep supporting, guys.